Hello, my name is Jeff Collins and I'm the President of Global Sales. I'm here today to speak with you about the wonderful world of pavers. Pavers are one of my favorite products because the addition of a stylish paver immediately upgrades any pool deck, patio, walkway, or driveway. There are two basic types of pavers, thick and thin. Thin pavers are generally about a ½ inch thick and are installed with mortar or thin set like tile. Thick pavers are typically 1¼ inches thick and are mostly sand set, which means that a bed of sand is placed on top of either concrete or compacted soil, and the pavers are placed on top of that. Then an additional layer of sand is put down on top and worked into the cracks between the pavers to create a solid placement. We offer a great group of paver options for your project. First, we have natural stone. Natural stone comes in both thick and thin and is available in a variety of popular colors like ivory, noche, and silver. It is also available in a variety of sizes and patterns like the popular French pattern. While all stone finishes can be used outside, we recommend either tumbled or brushed and chiseled as they provide superior traction for wet feet. I put down ivory French pattern thick pavers on my pool deck at home a couple of years ago and couldn't be happier with how they came out. One final note on stone pavers: they should have a good quality sealer applied after installation to minimize dirt and mildew. We'll be happy to supply you with the right sealer for your stone pavers. We also offer concrete pavers, and we feature the Belgard brand. They are also available in thick and thin, and they also come in a variety of sizes and patterns. Our Belgard pavers are available in a variety of colors, including groupings of colors, which provide some very distinctive looks. The third type that we offer is a brick paver. We have thin bricks in the Sunshine Pavers brand, and we also offer a variety of thick bricks in looks like Old Chicago and many others. While thick brick pavers are often sand set, they are sometimes also installed into concrete to form a decorative driveway or walkway. You can't go wrong with any of these choices, and we'll be happy to help you with whichever you're interested in. Thanks for watching, and please do not hesitate to give me a call to discuss your upcoming paver project.